Hello everybody, welcome to tutorial number 3. In this tutorial I'll be covering basic file and folder operations. So let's get to it. So we'll just start Extreme again, and what I'm going to do first of all is show how to create directories, rename directories, and delete directories. So let's find somewhere that I want to create a directory. I guess here is fine. So I press the M key to make a directory, and I'm just going to call it example and enter. Very easy. So there it is. There's my newly created directory. Now, if I wanted to rename a directory, I just press the R key, and I can just type something. Or if I wanted to just modify the existing name, I can just press the Tab key, and I'll just fill in the old name. And I can just make a slight change, and there. And that's renaming directory. The next one is if I wanted to delete a directory, it's just the D key. So delete, and yes, it will just ask me if I want to delete or not. No, I want to delete it. So there it goes. Okay, so that's basic directory operations. And now we can do the same thing with files. So I'll just press enter to go into the file view. And let's say I want to copy this file. So press the C key and the Tab key, and then I'll give it a name, release 2. Now, where do I want to copy it? I can actually put full stop, and they'll copy it to the current directory. Or if I wanted to copy it somewhere else, I can press the F2 key or F4 key, and then I can select the destination to where I want to copy it. So maybe I just want to copy it to this folder. I can also copy it to a different drive by pressing the L key, but I'll just leave it on the current directory, current drive. So just put it there and enter. And then I can just go to the legal folder, and there I can see it's there. Now, say I didn't actually wanted to copy it there, and that was a mistake. So I can now just delete it by pressing the D key and select yes, I want to delete it. And the final thing I'm going to cover, I'll delete this as well, is using wildcards. Say I want to copy a file, but give it a different extension or something like that. So I can do copy, and I can do star as my wildcard, and I want to give it a TXT extension. So that, and I don't want to put it there. I can just press Control backspace to clear the line, and full stop for the current folder, and then enter, and there we go. So that copied that file using a wildcard, and it copied it to the current folder. So yeah, so that's a very basic file and directory operations. And just to clean things up, I'll just delete that again.